KF101 MAX-S 4K GPS Professional Drone 5 km range, 3-axis gimbal, EIS anti-shake, brushless motors, 5G FPV, smart return, foldable quadcopter. Master the skies with the KF101 MAX-S Professional Drone, a powerful and intelligent quadcopter built for aerial creators, travelers, and drone enthusiasts who demand 4K level image clarity, ultra-stable flight, and pro-level performance at a competitive price. Equipped with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, advanced EIS, electronic image stabilization, 5 km HD image transmission, and GPS-assisted intelligent features, the KF101 MAX-S delivers exceptional stability, cinematic video, and effortless control, whether you're a beginner or a pro. True 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal plus EIS anti-shake system. The KF101 MAX-S is built for stable, blur-free shooting in any condition. Its real 4K camera is mounted on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, which works together with EIS, electronic image stabilization, to eliminate shakes and vibration for buttery-smooth video. Photo resolution: 3840x2160 SD plus app. Video resolution: 3840x2160 at 30 fps, SD card. Photo format: JPG. Video format: MP4. 2-axis electronic stabilization plus 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Wide-angle lens with tilt adjustment. Perfect for capturing cinematic aerial shots, real estate photography, travel vlogs, and action scenes. 5 km ultra-long range plus 5G real-time transmission. With an advanced 5G Wi-Fi digital transmission system, the KF101 MAX-S provides real-time FPV video feed with ultra-low latency up to 5,000 meters in ideal conditions. Remote control range: up to 5 km, outdoors, no interference. Image transmission range: up to 5 km. Height limit: 500 meters. Real-time HD preview on your smartphone. Explore further and capture more with consistent, uninterrupted live video from above. GPS smart flight: accurate, intelligent, and safe. Equipped with GPS plus altitude hold, the KF101 MAX-S offers powerful autonomous flight features that make flying smarter and safer, even for beginners. Smart flight functions: auto return to home, triggered by low battery, signal loss, or on command. Waypoint flight: tap on the map to set a custom route. 360 degrees orbit mode: circle any point of interest with cinematic flair. Follow me mode: the drone automatically follows your movements. Fixed point hover: maintain stable position without manual input. Gesture shooting: take photos or videos with simple hand gestures. All flight data is viewable in real time, keeping your flight controlled and your footage crystal clear. Brushless motor power plus foldable design. Fly with power and efficiency thanks to high-performance brushless motors, which provide greater durability, lower noise, higher wind resistance, smoother, longer flights. The foldable, compact design makes it easy to carry and store, ideal for travel, hikes, or fieldwork. Unfolded size: 450x405x80 mm. Folded size: 176x105x80 mm. Weight: 585 grams. Up to 25 minutes of flight time per charge. The KF101 MAX-S is powered by a high-capacity 11.1 volts 3000 mAh LiPo battery, delivering up to 25 minutes of stable flight time on a single charge. Charging time: approximately 7 hours, via USB 5V, 3A. Transmitter battery: 3.7 volts 1000 mAh times 2. Transmitter working time: approximately 10 hours. Smart battery module for easy swapping and status monitoring. What's in the box? 1 kF 101 MAX-S drone. 1 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal. 1 remote controller with rechargeable batteries. 1 11.1 volts 3000 mAh drone battery. 4 spare propellers. 1 USB charging cable. 1 screwdriver and accessories. 1 user manual. 1 carrying case, optional in bundles. Why choose KF101 MAX-S? Real 4K photo and video with EIS. 3-axis gimbal stabilization for pro-level footage. 5 km control and transmission range. 25-minute flight time with brushless power. GPS with smart return, orbit, and follow modes. Foldable and portable for travel or pro shoots. Whether you're filming a cinematic project or just exploring new heights, the KF101 MAX-S is your all-in-one drone for performance, portability, and picture-perfect results.